In Kubernetes, a service is a critical concept that acts like a gateway or a receptionist for pods. It's a way for Kubernetes to expose pods, either to other pods within the same cluster or to external users and systems. Think of a service as a stable address for accessing pods. Just like a receptionist in a building who directs your call to the right person, a service ensures that network traffic is directed to the appropriate pods. This is important because pods can be ephemeral. They might be replaced, moved or scaled, so the IP address can change. The service provides a consistent way to access the pods, regardless of the change. There are different types of services in Kubernetes. Actually, we have two. The first one is node pod. This type of service exposes the pod to external traffic. It opens a specific port on all the nodes, the machines in the Kubernetes cluster, and any traffic that comes to this port is forwarded to the pods. It's like having a public phone number that external callers can use to reach the pod. The second is cluster IP. This is the default type of service and is used for internal communication within the cluster. It assigns a unique IP address to the service, which other services within the cluster can use to access the ports. It's akin to an internal phone extension within a building, allowing communication between different apartments, pods, without exposing them to the outside world. In summary, a service in Kubernetes acts as an intermediary, ensuring smooth and stable communication to and from pods, similar to how a receptionist or a switchboard manages calls in a large building.